How do I locate a site in the app? Hi, this is Tyler from Camps Australia Wide with a short tutorial video highlighting the basic search functionality within the Camps app. Firstly, for a full breakdown of the various site and facility symbols within the Camps app, tap the Home tab in the bottom left corner, then the three lines in the top right corner for the main menu options, and choose Map and Site Symbol Key for a full breakdown of the symbol's description. You can also view a brief description of any symbol within a listing simply by tapping the icon. We will highlight this feature as we progress through the tutorial. From the Explore page, you have the options to continue viewing via the Map view, or you can also tap to toggle to List view. List view's default sorting is by distance, near to far, but you can also choose to filter by name or price too. The following video will focus on the Map view processes within the app. Please note, any filters applied will modify the results displayed in Map or List view and will be covered in more detail in another video. First, tap the Find a Site search bar at the top of the page. If you know the name of a specific site, simply type the name into the search field and tap to move to that location on the map and explore the full site details. Or, for more general results, please search by the name of town, city, suburb, or locality of your query. You will first be presented with site information related to your search terms, then POI results will appear, and finally you will see red pin markers for specific locations. We will choose a red location pin marker to move to a generalised area of the map. Today we will be taking a brief look around the Gympie region to highlight the key site information for you. After moving to a location, you will see the area populated with site markers. All site types within the Camps app are colour coordinated, so you can easily identify the type of site at a glance to help you plan your adventures. Tapping any site marker will open a brief summary information window, highlighting key information including the site name, street address, star rating, approximate distance from your current location, as well as a summary of the price range of the site. Please note, the distances displayed here are as the crow flies. For specific road distances, please use the Camps app Trip Planner for full route planning and accurate road distances. From the site summary information window, you can quickly add a site to your trips or favourites. We will cover these processes in more detail in a separate video. Tapping on the site's information summary window will open the full listing to show the expanded site details. At the top of the page, you will see site images. You can scroll through the available images by swiping the banner. You can also tap the Add New Photos button in the bottom right corner to submit new photos to an existing site. Simply tap the button, then tap Add New in the top right corner, and you can then choose to add a photo from your library or use your device's camera to take an image live whilst on site. Below the images, you will then see a full breakdown of everything the site has to offer. First, you will see the same summary distance, price and star rating from the summary information on the previous screen. You can quickly rate and review a site or provide updates for the site's information via the buttons at the top of the page, or tap the I've been here button to log your stay at this site. You will also be prompted to leave a review during this process if you have not submitted one already. Below this, you will see the site facility symbols, which highlights core information about the site. Tapping on any of these symbols will give a brief description of what the symbol represents. Here you will see the information about price, pet suitability, vehicle suitability, power, toilets, etc. In this example, you can see the site is an RV park with fees from $26 plus per night, pet-friendly, 48-hour max stay, suitable for caravans, motorhomes and camper trailers, self-contained vehicles only, power is available, mobile reception and Wi-Fi. Fires are allowed and the location is close to the road for easy access. Below the site symbols, you will see a brief description of the location and any essential info on booking requirements. Below the initial description are the app notes, expanded information about the finer details of the site. Scrolling further down the page, you first see location information, including full street address, which you can choose to view on the map, the GPS location data, as well as the HEMA reference code, which can be used to reference the site's map location within a Camps printed guide. You can also choose Start Navigating to export the site's information to your preferred map programs or your preferred web browser. To the right of the Location tab is the Contact Details tab. Here you can view the site, phone, email and website links or request a booking. Please note that this function will just send an email to the site directly via the app. Sites may have their own booking systems linked directly via their website. Tapping any of the arrows to the right of the contact information will export this data to the relevant process within your device to make calls or send emails, for example. Below this section, you will see review scores and other previously submitted reviews. Tapping the Price tab to the right will display prices paid by other travellers at this site. User-submitted reviews and prices also show the date of submission to help reflect how current the information is. You can also choose to submit your own reviews by tapping the Leave a Review button or submit your price paid via the Tell us how much you paid button. Simply follow the prompts to submit your feedback for each relevant process. Please take the time to leave a review for any sites you have stayed at or report prices you have paid at a site. This information really helps other travellers with on-the-ground advice from any recent stays. Scrolling to the bottom of the page and you will be presented with the option to improve this listing. Tap this if you would like to report any updates or changes to the site's listed information. Simply follow the prompts to submit the updates. Please note all submissions are investigated and verified by the CAMPS team before making live in the app. Your submissions are not automatically updated once submitted. You can also report site closures from this page. To continue your search, simply tap the X button in the top left corner of the listing to close the site and return to the main Explore map for further exploration and planning for your adventures. Hopefully you have found this video helpful. Please check out our FAQs page for additional content related to other processes within the CAMPS app. Happy travels!